In this video, I'll be showing you how to link to the contents in your form fields so that you can reuse the data elsewhere in your snippet. Here I have a snippet with an email. In my greeting, I'm going to add a form text command for filling out the recipient's name. In the name field, I'm going to add the label recipient. Now, let's say I want to reuse the recipient's name at the end of my email. All I need to do is click in the location where I want to use it, then find the field name at the bottom of my dashboard and click on it. This inserts a link to the contents of the labeled form field. Let's see it in action. Notice how whatever I type in the form field automatically gets filled out in the place where I inserted my form link. This method can also be used with other commands that accept the name setting, including drop-down menus, date pickers, and more.